Project Modified Deadbeat Predictive Current Control Method for Single-Phase AC, DC PFC Converter in EV Charging System.
Abstract.
The main objective of the project is the current control performance of the single-phase AC, DC power factor correction (PFC) converter with a deadbeat predictive current control (DPCC) method is affected by the distorted grid voltage, parameter dependence, and control delay. To tackle these problems, a modified DPCC method is proposed in this article. Here is our website, which you can find the EEE projects and explore various other domains on www.takeoffprojects.com. From EEE simulations to projects spanning diverse fields, our website offers a rich collection to satisfy your curiosity. Whether you're seeking titles or abstracts, our platform provides easy access to the project resources. Embark on a journey of discovery and innovation by visiting our website today and dive into the world of exciting projects and research.
Document.
In document, we can provide abstract, introduction, literature survey, keywords in different stages based on project. Take note of keywords as chapters, proposed system, result discussion, conclusion, future scope, and references.
PPT.
In PPT, we can provide abstract, introduction, literature survey, existing method, disadvantages, proposed method, proposed block diagram, simulation block diagram, and results. Advantages, applications, software and hardware requirements, conclusion, future scope, and references. In this project, the modified deadbeat predictive current control method for single-phase AC-DC converter used in an EV charging system. The main components in the project are single-phase AC-DC power factor correction converter, phase adjustment parameter, dead time compensator, and modified dead time predictive current controller. Sensors are employed to measure voltage, current, and total harmonic distortions. Thank you for watching. For more details, contact 9030 333 433.